first thing is timing. It's very important that you pick a time when both people are ready to talk. It's very easy when you're in that moment to be reactive and feel like I have to say it now. But timing is going to make a world of difference because both people are going to be more receptive at the right time. The second piece is that conflict is normal. I think there's this idea that if we're getting in fights with people, that something's wrong, and it's not. We're all wired differently, so we have to remember that this is part of a healthy relationship. And a good rule of thumb is to always assume neutral or positive intent from somebody, right? You want to believe that your friend is a good person, that we're all good people, and we're just trying to do our best. It's rare that someone's actually purposely trying to hurt us. And if we can remember that, we can go into conflicts a little bit easier.